Well, since today we're talking on color correction, another one is this dark black skin girls. um let's try and do color blend colors immediately. Let's say we want to achieve a natural effect, so I'm blending the colors immediately. So what we need to do is, you can see how she have a lot of rough skin and a lot of rash on her face. So instead of using the clone stanza and the rest, you're going to go for the frequency separation. So go ahead and select duplicate the layer, Ctrl J twice. I'm just duplicating it twice because I want to do before and after, so I'm supposed to duplicate it once and name these two tone and color. So name this one TONE, enter. Name this texture TEXTURE. It's just to know the ones you are going to select. Now select the tone, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and for you to also get the right blur value, you can take a look at somewhere around, let's say here, and zoom in a little bit. Okay, and then you are going to blur it till you find a very smooth transition between it. So 2.4, I'm going to just extend it to let's leave it at 2.5 and it's okay, but it's going to be too smooth. But let's go ahead, texture, image, go to image, apply image, and then make sure under the mesh you choose tone, then you choose subtract. It's okay. So you're going to see your texture. You can see the texture there. And now you're going to change the blending mode to what? Linear light. I'm working on the color now, so go to the tune, select the tune, select your mixer to brush. You know the settings we used the other time, so you can now start using it. So just blend and quickly blend the image together. I'm gonna do a very fast job, please bear with me. You can take your time and just quickly quickly follow up. So just blend the image. You can see I'm not doing it in the place like this, I'm just following up. I'm actually blending where the blemishes are. So you can see somewhere here you can see some blemishes there, so just blend together to have something good. All right, so you keep blending and you keep blending. You can see that place, and so it's just simple. Please don't blend here. You can blend like this, make it bigger and blend, because at times it's just going to look flat if you are not careful. All right, so we have a lot to do. I'm just going to quickly finish this up. All right, I'm going to stop here. So let's just quickly see before and after. Please hold on, alt, before and after, before and after. So on our next class we'll be looking at how to retouch images like this. So we'll be removing the blemishes with this same method. I'm going to group these two together. Group. Yep. Oh, come on, bring this one out of the group. So with this same method, the frequency separation, and all this method, they are in the plugins and the actions I'm going to be showing you earlier, some later on in the image. So this one is a very complicated case, and you need to know the blur value you are going to be using. Also, you can see the airs all over. Just use the technique I asked you. But I'm going to be retouching this type of image and images that are more complicated like this in our next video. So for the sake of time, I'm going to end the video here. So we have before and then we have after. So we're talking about color correction, talked about color blending, talked about retouching images. So if you also take a look at this one, you need to fill in this gap, this little gap right here. Okay, so that's all.